Aren't you? Huh?
Well, you probably got plenty with this somewhere.
Yeah.
Marnix, what's he talking about?
I don't know, but what is he serious? Aren't you? Are you very
Look how
serious?
long he's getting.
Yeah. Mama
You're a
took some
big guy,
pictures
huh?
of me holding him at the
Yeah.
computer the other day. And the best
Yeah.
one of him was me looking grim, trying to ask Mama about how she was taking the picture.
You're a cute
I think
little
she sent
fella,
them to
aren't
you.
Are you a
Yeah,
good
I tried to reply to it, but the
Yeah.
email filter blocked it.
You're
Oh.
a good guy.
You must be on movie mode.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Ethan, you ready to start opening some presents? Okay,
wanna
Merry
open some
Christmas!
You want to open your biggest one first?
Merry first Christmas! Yeah! Look like a yes to me!
The biggest one first, huh?
All right,
Biggest
here we
one
go.
first?